Hey traders, may pips be upon you. I wanted to bring you back to that what is it? The midweek uh, hot list or update video that I put out a couple of days ago on Wednesday. All right, it was one of the trades I was highlighting. I was waiting on this setup. What it is the price has reached this area of concern. All right, if this is a euro New Zealand dollar, and you can see why I'm looking for a short here on the daily. We've been trending down for quite a bit. If you take the Fibonacci's from the swing high to the swing low, all right, you can see we're at the area of the 38 Fibonacci retracement level, a 38% retracement. All right, I was hoping it would come back here because you see we've attempted to get past this level a couple of times, 1, 2, 3, 4, and here we are the fifth time. I'm hoping that price will come, make a bearish push through the bottom of this rising ascending triangle through the bottom and break out and continue on down. So that's the setup. It's a pretty simple setup. Okay. What you want to see now is bullish price action, very much similar to this here, where you see rejection wicks and then a bullish momentum candle that takes us all the way down to the bottom. All right. So look for the rejection and then look for that bullish momentum candle, a bearish. I said bullish. I meant a bearish engulfer. You want to see that bearish price action up here. All right. And that should take us all the way down and through the bottom of this ascending triangle. And that's the setup. What you want to see, though, is the stochastics at overbought. All right. What I'm going to do is peek at the 4 hour so I can see the price action a little bit better. Okay. All right. Once it comes over here. All right. And again, once I see that bearish price action, and I get a good indication that we're not going to go any higher. Hey, be careful of that. Be careful of that because you want to see you want to look out for price manipulations past these highs and these highs because we might peak past these highs just to catch the people that took shorts. Took shorts from here. They got their stop loss up here. Liquidation managers probably want to go after that liquidation. Now here on the 4 hour, we're already oversold. Oh, overbought. Excuse me, overbought. So that's cool, but what we really need is a daily close. We need daily closures up here to say we're not going to go any further. We're not going any higher than this level, this zone, and then that bearish price action will let us know that price is coming back down. I hope that's easy enough for you to understand. I hope I put it in. I explained it well. All right. If you want to see where this trade came from and where the other ones came from, just look at the video that's on your screen right now. And I will talk to you in the next video. Do not forget, if you liked what you saw, if you like what I'm doing, leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe if you care to, so you don't miss updates. All right, I'm always coming out with some kind of crazy scheme or trade, so that's for you to do. All right, but a like and a comment is what I would appreciate if you appreciate what I'm doing. If you don't, you don't. That's fine. All right, I'll see you in the next video.